Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today to learn about searching for sources using the library website. The first thing we want to do is make sure that you know how to get to the library website. To do that, you go to the Craven Community College website homepage. From there, go to Current Students and down to Library. This will take you right to our library homepage. The homepage may look a little different if you haven't been here in a while, but we have a new homepage and a new website, and we are excited to share that with you. From this homepage, you can get access to our hours. You can also search for items, visit our resources, see our services, as well as contact us if you have any questions or we can help in any way. Today we're specifically talking about searching for sources. When you search for a source, one thing we like to do is make sure that you're using our library sources. If you look right in the middle right here, you're going to see a search bar. You can use that to search for anything in our library, including books, journal articles. You can search the NC Live database this way. But we also want to show you this link right here that says databases. If you click on databases, this will show you some familiar images of the databases that you might have seen on our old page. If you scroll back up the page, you'll see the same search bar again that you saw on the very first home page. From here, you can search anything. You can search for books, you can search for journal articles, and you can search for videos that we have through our NC Live database. When you search here, we call this a one search because you can search for anything all in one. When you're doing a search, first you want to type in your search term. For example, if you want to search the Black Death or Black Plague, you type in Black Death and click the magnifying glass. From there, you'll see your results that pop up. I want to draw your attention to this number right under the search bar. 5 million results. That's a lot of results to have to sort through. So we're going to share with you some ways to best utilize your results. There's 3 different sections of the page. Over here you see these filters in the gray. We'll talk about some of those. You see your results right in the middle. And then over here you see some related topics and something called Credo. We'll also spend a minute talking about that. First, let's look over in the gray at your filters. Some important filters to use are full text, so that you know you're getting the full article, scholarly and peer review. And what we mean by scholarly and peer review is that it's something that has been vetted or looked at and approved by other scholars. It's not just something that's posted on the web without being checked. You can also go down to content type and include only journal articles. As you see, the filters that we've applied have lessened our results quite a bit. One more thing I want to share with you. If your instructor tells you that your sources have to be within a certain time, like the last 5 years, you can also select this filter. Now look, that has taken us from 5 million results to 40,000. That's quite a bit more manageable. One more thing you can do still from this search is when you have Black Death up in your search term, you can also add another word to it if you want to get more specific. Black Death or the Black Plague, let's think specifically in Europe. Our searches in our library databases are a little different than Google. You don't want to type in a full sentence. You want to think about those keywords. So Black Death, Europe, That gives us 7,000 results. Moving on to another section of your results, you have the Credo section and related topics over on the right. From Credo, you can learn some information from this online encyclopedia. If you click Read More, it will take you to the Credo page. One great thing about Credo is that it gives you good information for background information and beginning your search. As you're reading through your information, click on some of the links. This link over to the right that says Black Death, it will show you a mind map. These mind maps are great for showing you related terms that will help you in your research. Again, this is the Credo reference source, and we got that from the right side of our results page. So back to our results in the middle. Let's take a closer look at one of our results. You have your title, Trade Routes and Plague Transmission in Pre-Industrial Europe. You have your authors, and you have your publication information, where it was published, when. I want to draw your attention to the right side, the top corner of your results. You can get a link to this result. You can also get the citations. If you know that your instructor wants a certain type of citation, popular ones at Craven are APA and MLA. If you know that you have to have a certain type of citation, it will supply it for you right here. You can also email the result to yourself or save it if you're on your own computer. Back to looking at this first result. The preview allows you to read a little bit about the article before you download it. This will help you make a decision about whether it really relates to your topic or whether you want to keep looking. If you've decided you want the article and you're ready to select it, go ahead and click on it, and it'll open in a new page to show you the full text article. You can download or print this, and remember, you can print 10 pages at the library every day for free. After 10 pages, it's just 10 cents a page. You also have abstract and details. Sometimes this page comes up first instead of the full text PDF, but you can switch back and forth and see the full text or the abstract. The abstract can be thought of kind of like a summary. This also shows you the title, of course, the authors, the publication information, and you'll see you have the download, the PDF, your citation options again, where you can select the type of citation you need, APA or MLA, and you can email and print as well. Back to our search results page. You can scroll to see other articles that are related. You can use other filters that we have not specifically talked about. The filters are available for you. These are just some popular ones that we recommend. And you can also start your search again if what you found has not helped. As always, please reach out to the library. We are happy to help you in your search. We are happy to share different resources with you, and we are happy to have you in the library anytime.